Hi, so this was a rather loose or ill-fitting dress with me for a long time, and I decided to upcycle it. So I started out with drawing the front and the back bodice pattern using a sort of loose-fitting t-shirt, and here you can see rather that I'm drawing the front bodice, and I drew it around 15 inches long, like just a little below my bust. So this is the front and back pattern, and I cut the fabric according to this. Cut 3 rectangular strips, each one longer than the previous one. So first I'll sew the shoulder seams, and then I will hem the neck area and the armholes. And now I will close the sides by sewing. So this is where the top is right now after all the sewing done. Now I'm doing a straight stitch on all the rectangular pieces so that I can make gathers, as you can see. Keeping right sides together, I will first stitch the shortest gathered rectangle to the top. And then I just keep stitching one gather to another till all the 3 gathers are stitched. So on fitting, I found that the dress was slightly tight. That's why I have not stitched the middle part. I'll try to add a placket of sorts in between. So I take the leftover fabric and stitch it and turn it inside out, and just stitch it in between both the sides of the dress so that it fits better. And now this is what the dress finally looks like. Now my video making is not that great, but I'm learning just as I'm learning stitching, and hopefully I should be there someday. Thank you.